Namaste everyone, good evening, good morning. Namaste, 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 namaste. I'm really sorry I took little bit more time. I was quite busy with the festival, so I couldn't work on the recordings and all. I'm really sorry about that. I did correction only today. Even I have to send you the meanings. I'm really sorry for this delay. I'll send it as soon as possible. Fine. From this week, I went through across the recordings. Most of you you're comfortable till Dhyanam. Dhyanam is good. So only the first two stanzas of a Dhyanam, the first four stanza, you are going little slow. That is fine. So no need to worry. You are taking little bit of a time there. So apart from that, so till Dhyanam, everyone are doing really good. So only you have to give little bit more focus. So when you start now, so make sure that from Shuklam Bharadaram till Dhyanam, you will recite that only on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So rest all whatever we do in that particular class, you can repeat that for a little bit of more number of times. Do more repetition whatever we do in current classes. In the for example, if we are doing from 11 to 20 today, give more focus on 11 to 20. Do not focus on the previous stanzas. So previous stanzas you can keep it for weekly twice practice. So that is on a Saturday, Sunday or Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can do like that because you are most of you are good comfortable with till Dhyanam. So we'll do that one. So from today, whatever we practice, give a little bit more number of repetition for only these number of verses. And also do not try to sit on the meaning on the same day. Keep the meaning for the weekend. So learn the meaning on the weekend. Give more focus on the pronunciation for that particular week, whatever we have done. Then we will go to the meaning part slowly. We'll be starting with the 11. So first I'll cover whatever the verses we have to cover today. Then I'll take it from the beginning. So we'll do a revision slowly from the beginning. Please keep your handouts or the regional handouts, whatever you are comfortable with. We have done till 10. So we'll be starting with the 11. Ajaha. Ajaha, you have a H at the end, so it's a aha sounding. Ajaha, just like a namaha. Ajaha, Sarveshwaraha, Siddhaha, dhastras, Siddhihi, dhastras, Sarvadirachyuta. Try to combine both the words. Sarvadir plus Achyuta will combine. It will become Sarvadi Rachyuta. Ajaha, Sarveshwaraha, Siddhaha, Siddhihi, Sarvadi Rachyuta. Achyuta. Do not say Achyuta, it's a chew. It's a combination of a cha and a ya letter. Achyuta. Second line, Vrishakapir. So we are starting from the 11th. Someone asked me. We are starting from the 11th. Vrishakapir. In Vrishakapi, please make yes as a capital. Vrishakapir. Ameyatma. We'll put together, both the word together. Vrishakapir Rameyatma. Vrishakapirrameyatma Sarvayoga Vinitsritaha. Sarvayoga Vinitsritaha. Ajaha, Sarveshwaraha, Siddhaha, Siddhihi, Sarvadirachyutaha, Vrishakapirrameyatma, Sarvayoga Vinisritaha. We'll go with the 12th one. Vasur Vasumanaha is a one single word. Vasur Vasumanaha. We'll put it together. Vasur Vasumanaha. Give a extension as well as a aha sound. Vasur Vasumanaha. Satyaha. Again aha sound. Satyaha. Samatma. Sammitaha. Sammitaha. In Sammita you can observe yam is repeated twice. That says give a slight stress. Sammitaha. Samaha. So everywhere you have to go with aha sound. I'll repeat. Vasur Vasumanaha. Satyaha. Samatma. Sammitaha. Samaha. Second line, 12th stanza. Amogaha. Gha stress. Amogaha. Again aha sound. Pundarikaksho. Pundarika means lotus flower. Akshi or Aksha means eyes. Pundarikaksho. Vrishakarma. In Vrishakarma, yes is in a capital. Vrishakarma. Vrishakritihi. Again Vrisha, yes is a capital. Vrishakritihi. Amogaha. Pundarikaksho. Vrishakarma. Vrishakritihi. Vasur Vasumanaha. Satyaha. Samatma. Sammitaha. Samaha. Amogaha. Pundarikaksho. Vrishakarma. Vrishakritihi. 13th one. Rudro. Rudro. Bahushira. Shira means head. Bahushira. Babrur. It ends with the sounding r sounding. Two words we have to combine. Babrur Vishwayonihi. We'll put it together. Babrur Vishwayonihi. When you say Babrur, bhu needs to be stressed. Babrur Vishwayonihi. Shuchi Shravaha. Shuchi Shravaha. Rudro. Bahushira. Babrur Vishwayonihi. Shuchi Shravaha. Second line 13. Amrutaha. Shashwata. Amrutaha. Shashwata. Stanur. Vararoho is a one single word. Shashwataha. Stanur. Vararoho. Mahatapaha. It's not just tapaha. Tapaha. Amrutaha. Shashwataha. Sthanur. Stha, tha stress. Na, tongue tip has to reach upper palate. Sthanur. Vararoho. Mahatapaha. Rudro. Bahushira. Babrur. Vishwayonihi. Shuchi Shravaha. Amrutaha. Shashwataha. Sthanur. Vararoho. Mahatapaha. 14th one. Sarvagaha. Again aha sounding. Sarvagaha. Sarva. With Bhanur. It's a one single word. There is a split. With Bhanur. With Bhanur. Bha stress. Vishwakseno. Vishwakseno. Janardanaha. Sarvagaha. Sarva with Bhanur. Vishwakseno Janardanaha. In Vishwakseno, after for that E, say sounding, make a line on the top of a E. Vishwakseno, say is an extension. So in Vishwakseno, yes, E. E should have that line on the top. In Vishwakseno, E should have a line on the head. Sarvagaha, Sarvabidbhanur, Vishwakseno, Janardanaha. Second line 14. Vedo, Veda, with Avyango. So we'll put it together. So this is a split. When we put it together, it sounds different. Vedo, Veda Vidavyango. Vedo, Veda Vidavyango. Vidavyango. I'll repeat. Vedo, Veda Vidavyango. Vidavyango. Vedango, Vedavit Kavihi. Vedo, Veda Vidavyango, Vedango, Vedavit Kavihi. Sarvagaha, Sarvabidbhanur, Vishwakseno, Janardanaha, Vedo, Veda Vidavyango, Vedango, Vedavit Kavihi. 15th one. Lokadhyakshaha, dha stress, Lokadhyakshaha, Suradhyaksho, Suradhyaksho, Dharmadhyakshaha. In Dharmadhyaksha, both the dha needs to be stressed. Dharmadhyakshaha, Krita Kritaha, Lokadhyakshaha, Suradhyaksho, Dharmadhyakshaha, Krita Kritaha. Second line 15. Chaturatma, Chatur Vyuhash. So it's a one single word. Next one is, so we'll take it little slowly. Chaturatma, Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Danstrash, Chatur Danstrash, Chatur Bhujaha. So Chatur means number 4. So we have a 4 words here. Atma. Chaturatma is a single word, so we'll take it separately. The next one is Vyuha, Danshtra, Bhuja. So for everything I have to add aha. So but I'm combining, so it ends with the sounding sh. It ends with the sounding sh for you. Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Danshtrash, Chatur Bhujaha. I'll repeat. Chaturatma is a single. You can leave it. Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Danshtrash, Chatur Damshtrash, Chatur Bhujaha. Only for Vyuha and Damshtra, make sure that you will get that ush sounding. That's it. I'll repeat once again. Chaturatma, Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Damshtrash, Chatur Bhujaha. Lokadhyakshaha, Suradhyaksho, Dharmadhyakshaha, Krita Kritaha, Chaturatma, Chatur Vyuhash, Chatur Damshtrash, Chatur Bhujaha. We'll go with the 16th one. Bhrajishnur, Bhastras, Bhrajishnur, Bhojanam, Bhastras, Bhokta, Bhastras, Bhrajishnur, Bhojanam, Bhokta, Sahishnur, Sahishnur, Jagadadijaha, Sahishnur, Jagadadijaha, Bhrajishnur, Bhojanam, Bhokta, Sahishnur. Observe the N capital in Bhrajishnur and Sahishnur. जगदादिजः. 16 second line. अनघो घो stress. विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः. अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः. भ्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः. अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः. First we'll repeat from 11 to 16, then we'll continue from 17. अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषाकपैर्रमेयात्मा सर्वयोग विनिसृतः. वसुर्वसुमनाः सत्यः समात्मा सम्मितः समः अमोघः पुंडरीकाक्षो वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः. रुद्रो बहुशिरा भभ्रुर्विश्वयोनिः शुचिश्रवाः. अमृतः शाश्वतः स्थाणुर्वरारोहो महातपाः. सर्वगः सर्वविद्भानुर्विश्वक्सेनो जनार्दनः. वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदांगो वेदवित् कविः. लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षो धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः. चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहश् चतुर्दंष्ट्रश् चतुर्भुजः. भ्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः. अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः. I'll go with the 17th one. उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुर अमोघः. Again we'll put together this one. Pramshur amogha we'll put together. Pramshuramogah. Pramshuramogah dha stress. शुचिरूर्जितः. शुचिरूर्जितः. उपेन्द्रः उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुरमोघः शुचिरूर्जितः. Second line 17. अतीन्द्रः संग्रह. So if you observe in sangraha we have a h at the end, but still I won't be able to give that aha sounding because of a ha letter. So whenever I have a ha letter, it will become quite difficult for me. It will slightly get diluted. So don't worry about that one. It will sound like atindraha sangraha. So I won't be able to tell sangraha. So this I won't be able to fix it during the tune. So that's completely fine. Atindraha sangraha sargo dhritatma dhristras dhritatma नियमो यमः. अतीन्द्रः संग्रह सर्गो धृतात्मा नियमो यमः. उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुरमोघः शुचिरूर्जितः. अतीन्द्रः संग्रह सर्गो धृतात्मा नियमो यमः. 18th one. वेद्यो वैद्यः सदा योगी वीरः माधवो धास्ट्रस मधुः धास्ट्रस वेद्यो वैद्यः सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः. Second line 18. अतीन्द्रियो अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः. अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः. वेद्यो वैद्यः सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः. अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः. 19th one. महाबुद्धिर. So it's one single word. महाबुद्धिर महावीर्यो महाबुद्धिर महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर महाद्युतिः. Maha means a great. So from the previous line we are saying that Vishnu is a great. Mahabuddhir Mahaviryo Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi. So we have a 4 words which combines with the Maha. That is Buddhi, Virya, Shakti and a Dyuti. Second line 19. Anirdeshya Vapuhu. We'll put together 2 words. Anirdeshya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadidrik. Mahadrik. I'll repeat. Anirdeshya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadrik. Mahadrik. It's a one single word. I'll repeat. Mahadrik. When you say drik, make sure that you stress the dha. I'll repeat. Anirdeshya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadrik. Mahabuddhir Mahaviryo Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi. Anirdeshya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadrik. 20th. Maheshwaso Mahibhatta. This Maheshwaso is not a Maheshwara, the same thing, it's different one. Maheshwaso Mahibhatta Bhastras Srinivasaha Satangatihi. It can be pronounced as a Satangatihi or Satamgatihi. It can go with a sounding or a sounding. Both are equally right. Maheshwaso Mahibhatta Srinivasaha Satangatihi. Second line 20. Aniruddhaha Dhastras Suranando Govindo Govidam Patihi. Aniruddhaha Suranando Govindo Govidam Patihi. Maheshwaso Mahibhatta Srinivasaha Satamgatihi. Aniruddhaha Suranando गोविंदो गोविदां पतिः 21 मरिर चिद्दमनो. So I'll give extra split here. Mari chir damano. Mari chir damano, one single word. Mari chir damano hamsaha suparno. In suparno, N is in a capital. Your tongue tip has touch upper palate. Bhujagottama, bhu stress. Mari chir damano hamsaha suparno bhujagottamaha. Second line 21 hiranyanabaha. Hiranyanabaha, bha stress. Sutapaha, it's not just sutapa, sutapaha, pa extension. Padmanabaha prajapatihi. Hiranyanabaha sutapaha padmanabaha prajapatihi. Mari chir damano hamsaha suparno bhujagottamaha. Hiranyanabaha sutapaha padmanabaha prajapatihi. 22, last one for the day. Amrityuhu. Amrityuhu. It's a Q. It's a combination of a T and a Ya letter. Amrityuhu Sarvadrik. Similarly, like Mahadridrik. Same one, you have to get the same sounding. Sarvadrik Simmaha Amrityuhu Sarvadrik Simmaha. Again, Simmaha, it's not mandatory, you have to get a ha sounding. It can be Simha also. Sandhata, dha stress. Sandhiman stiraha. In Sandhiman, dha stress. Stira, tha stress. Amrityuhu Sarvadrik Simha Sandhata Sandhiman Stiraha. Second line 22. Ajo Durmarshanaha. Durmarshanaha. S in a capital, N in a capital. Shasta Ajo Durmarshanaha Shasta Vishrutatma Surariha. Ajo Durmarshanaha Shasta Vishrutatma Surariha. Amrityuhu Sarvadrik Simha Sandhata Sandhiman Stiraha. Ajo Durmarshanaha Shasta Vishrutatma Surariha. We'll take it from the 17 ones. Upendro Vamanaha Pramshuramogaha Shuchirujitaha Atindraha Sangraha Sargo Dhritatma Niyamo Yamaha. Vedyo Vaidyaha Sadayogi Veeraha Madhavo Madhuhu Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha Mahabuddhir Mahaviryo Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi Anirdeshya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadri दृक् महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रीनिवासः सताङ्गतिः अनिरुद्धः सुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदां पतिः मरीचिर्दमनो हंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभः सुतपाः पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः अमृत्युः सर्वदृक् सिंहां सन्धाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्षणः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिहा. We'll take it from Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkaro. I'll take it slowly with the tune. Hari Om. Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhutabhavyabhavat Prabhuhu Bhutakritbhutabhridbhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyayah Purushah Sakshi Kshetrajnokshara eva cha Yogo Yogavidam Neta Pradhana Purusheshwaraha Narasimhavapuhu Shriman Keshavaha Purushottamaha Sarvaha Sharvaha Shivaha Sthanur Bhutadir Nidhiravyayah Sambhavo Bhavano Bharta Prabhavaha Prabhurishwaraha Swayambhuhu Shambhuradityaha Pushkaraksho Mahaswanaha Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamaha Aprameyo Hrishikeshaha Padmanabho Amaraprabhuhu Vishwakarma Manustvashtha Stavishthah Stavirodhruvah Agrahyah Shashvato Krishno Lohitakshah Pratardanah Prabhutastrikakubdhama Pavitram Mangalam Param Ishanah Pranadah Prano Jyeshtah Shrestah Prajapatihi Hiranyagarbho Bhugarbho Madhavo Madhusudanaha Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi Medhavi Vikrama Kramaha Anuttamo Duradarshaha Krutagnyah Krutiratmavan Sureshah Sharanam Sharma Vishwaretaha Prajabhavaha Aha Samvatsaro Vyalaha Pratyayah Sarvadashanaha Ajaha Sarveshwarah Siddhaha Siddhihi Sarvadhirachyutaha Vrishakapirrameyatma Sarvayoga Vinisritaha Vasur Vasumanaha Satyaha Samatma Sammitaha Samaha Amogaha Pundarikaksho Vishakarma Vishakritihi Rudro Bahushira Babrur विश्वयोनिः शुचिश्रवाः अमृतः शाश्वतः स्थाणुर्वरारोहो महातपाः सर्वगः सर्वविद्भानुर्विश्वक्सेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदाङ्गो वेदवित् कविः लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षो धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहश् चतुर्दंष्ट्रश्चतुर्भुजः भ्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुरमोघः शुचिरुज्जितः अतीन्द्रः संग्रह सर्गो धृतात्मा नियमो यमः वेद्यो वैद्यः सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महादृक् महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रीनिवासः सतां गतिः अनिरुद्धः सुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः मरीचिर्दमनो हंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभः सुतपाः पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः अमृत्युः सर्वदृक्सिंहः सन्धाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्षणः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिः Any doubt? Any lines you want me to repeat? Yes, Pramshuramogah. Pramshuramogah. Yes. शाश्वतः शाश्वत स्थाणुर् शाश्वतः अह sound. You have a pause, you have a gap after shashvatah. Shashvatah, you have a single word shashvatah, then you will go with sthanur. Shashvatah sthanur. No, it's sta. It's a combination of a sa and a ta letter. Perfect. Yes. Any doubt? Yes, Shriti, you can ask me. Drik, drik, dri, drik, dri, drik. Dri. It's a the sounding. It's not a ta sounding, it's a da sounding. Mahadri, drik. Yes. Perfect. Hmm? Hmm? Correct. Correct. Thank you. I think Shridevi, you have a doubt? Yes, please. Hmm. 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 Chat- view. Sorry, make it as a U. Sorry, Chaturvyuha. It's a Vyuha. Chaturvyuha. VYU. It should be U. Chaturvyuha. Thank you. Yeah. Any other doubt? Shridevi, you can ask me. Yeah, please tell me. Oh, that's me. Okay, memorizing will take a. You can just repeat n number of times. That's how we can memorize actually. So what I suggest is take a few number of verses every time. Just go with the 2 to 3 verses always. Repeat that n number of times. Keep repeating that. You can repeat any time of the day. So there is no restriction because it is a practicing. It's like you have to memorize it, right? So just make sure that you will repeat it. So if you are practicing from 1 to 3, make sure you repeat it. Next day, add 2 more for that one, 4 and 5. So you will be repeating all the 5 together. So 1, 2, 5. Then add 3 more for that. So but make sure that you should be able to memorize and repeat it. If you want to memorize, make sure that you will start slowly, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4 5, then take 1 to 8, then take 1 to 10. So that is one set. So you are done. Then go with the next one, add 11 and 12. So you repeat that one. Next day when you recite, do not add 13 14. Instead you have to take it from 1 to 12. Then again add 2 more for that one. So that's how you have to slowly take it up. So it will come by practice, slowly by practice. Sure, thank you. Prasanna Vadanam. It's because you are struggling, it's because of a regional language influence. It's because of a Hindi. So nothing else. So that will take a little bit of a time. So you have to pause it completely. The word has to end completely. So it is not Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet. So Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopa Shantaye. So everything has to come to the halt. So it has to come. It has to come to the halt completely. It will take a little bit of a time because of our language influence, right? So that happens. That is very natural in shloka learning. That's very natural. So let it take time, but you are doing it good. So your recording has been improved a lot. So no worries in that one. The influence has coming down slowly. So your regional language influence is coming down. Slowly you are able to understand what is it exactly that you have to give a pause and all those things. So that is good. So don't need to worry about that. Any doubt? Any else? Okay, so I'll be sending you the recording. So please completely focus on the recitation part, chanting part. So do not worry about the meaning. Meaning you can keep it for the weekend. And also I'll send the meaning for all these entire week. I'll send it on Thursday for you. So no need to worry about that one. Everything will be sent to you. Make sure that you repeat as many times as possible. Only then you will be ready for the next class, or else you feel that you are lagging back behind. So please make sure that practice n number of times. Always take 2 verses every time, half an hour 2 verses, next go with another half an hour 2 verses. In your entire day, make a break and then you practice. Then it will become easier for you. If you sit for entire 10 stanzas at one go, then you may not be able to repeat and recite, practice comfortably. So give a break every time, 2 verses. And if in case in the morning you have a time at 10 o'clock, 2 verses, then 12 o'clock take another 2 verses. Do it like this, then it will be easy for you. So fine, then I'll meet tomorrow at the same time. I'll be sending the recording in another half an hour. So please practice and do send me your recordings by tomorrow. Thank you so much. Namaste. Good night.